I had to pull the front bumper off of this 22 Forester Wilderness, and while in there I decided to reroute the engine block heater which was installed by a dealer. First of all, I looked at the price on Subaru website and they listed it at 100 and change. So I asked the dealer to install it. Turns out there's about $500 labor charge. You can see the silver wire coming through here. And originally it was poking through the grill right here quite a bit, sticking out of the front of the car, very ugly. So while I'm in there, I decided, well, I had the bumper off, I decided to reroute it. And I pushed it through that passageway there. You can see that. But then I realized that that is actually an active air dam. That piece right there, that thing, it rotates. It's computer controlled. At speed it closes, I guess to increase aerodynamic efficiency on the highway. I've seen this before on certain cars like Fords. It just blocks off the air to the radiator. So if I pass a wire through here, it will jam it up, probably throw a code, something you can't even scan it because it will probably be a body code, something you can't get with a generic scanner. So decided to find an alternative way, and first I had to pop these out that hold this in place. They're actually, this piece goes something like this, and then there's two different kind of rivets. These are those kind of clips, two here, and removed 4 of them here, just so I can move this piece out of the way, but didn't really need to. All you gotta do is remove these from here, and then this whole piece just wiggles out. So that gives you an access behind the headlight. And here, it's actually quite easy to get to. So there's a wire. These 2 marks, I believe, usually indicate where the zip tie should be installed. They had it zip tied somewhere here to the headlight housing, but I moved it back down there. There's a thicker part of the wire that's actually clipped to the chassis, so that's where I put the zip tie, and then you pass it through. And if you open this tow hook cover, the hook is in your toolkit and it screws right in there. You will see that you can see behind the headlight. There's my hand. So I passed the wire through here. It was easier to get it through this hole, but I did push it behind and under. There's nothing here, it's all empty space. And out here. So now this wire can't go anywhere. It stays here, it's out of sight. It's not as ugly as we had it from the dealer. And now I'm just gonna put all this plastic back together. Takes a couple of minutes. And we're done. So good luck. That's a tech tip for today for 22 Forester wire routing for the engine block heater.